Yeah, 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 yeah. Never go the wrong congregation. Why? Dancehall skilla burn pagan so.
What the fire pushing?
Man, oh God, man.
They said God no like
Oh, no, feel no blind, man.
And they said God no like you.
Oh, God, man.
Do you see the amount of things that have been confiscated? Do you see the amount of things that had been taken away by law enforcers within the country of Jamaica? I wonder how whosoever won those things feel. You know, how that person manage. See him? But it is what it is, my people. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there here again. So I just presented to you a video that I be recorded within the country of Jamaica. The video shows when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica confiscated goods that are said to be for a vendor. See, now I don't know if anyone else goods have been taken away of your subscribers, but I just gave you the information that I got. Alright, and the reason why I said law enforcers is because sometimes municipal police and police within the country of Jamaica work together. Alright, yeah. Alright, so you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. That's it. And I have more videos I'm going to present to you, so brace yourself. Alright. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, in this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person explained to his knowledge the difference between a real and a fake Trinidad and Tobago $100 bill. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I might be surprised to hear some of the things that the person said in this video, so listen carefully and look, observe. Here's the video.
Good day, Trinidad and Tobago. Here I have $200 bills. One is fake, one is real. Could you tell the difference? Well, the fake one is this one here. And what they're doing is they're using a $1 bill, dyeing it, and making it look like $100. The only way you could really tell the difference is that if it is you hold it up in the light, you will see that it has a red tint on it. And the only other way is by the marking for the blind is a $1 bill that they're using, because this is the real $100 here, and you're seeing the X in the back there. So beware, they're using it on maxis and taxis. Be careful.
Yeah, the things that the man saying in that video, viewers and subscribers. Now, I don't know how true the things that the person said in that video are, viewers and subscribers, but at the same time, it is good to be careful. See? To my understanding, the person explained that somehow, and I'm going to use the word criminals, make a Trinidad and Tobago $1 bill look like a $100 bill within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. That's not right. That is not right. That's not safe. So, big up the people within Trinidad and Tobago. Be careful, you see? Whether or not the things that the person said are true or not, just be on the lookout and be careful. You see me I say? Nothing wrong with being careful. You see me? Alright, so now I got information that the police within the Bahamas Islands are looking for a person who had been caught on camera stealing money from a business establishment that is located somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. According to information that I got, it is said that the person had been caught on surveillance camera using a tool to steal money from a business establishment that is located somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. Now, details as to how the person got into that business place are somewhat sketchy. And the date on the video is said to be the 20th of December, the year 2021. Now, for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look. Observe. So I go under some people. Look carefully, you know. Look. Look carefully. Watch it. You see that? Yeah, you see? What? See? My people, it's sad, you know? It really sad. It really sad. So, but just to make you know about that incident, viewers and subscribers, as I say, you know, me, I rather work for what me want. Every time. See? Alright, so before I move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, I want to let you know that Bounty Killer and the musician who goes by the name of Jashi did a collaboration and made a song together. Yeah, and in my point of view, that song sound good, no, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the song sound good. You see what I say? I may also see a video that shows when Jashi did a thing that some persons within the country of Jamaica might call money pull up. Yeah, money pull up, you know. Just put the money right there, so. Which part the selector there I play music, or DJ there I play music, as also some person might call the person who operates a sound system. You see what I say? And I also saw pieces of video circulating on social media saying that Nicki Minaj and the World Dog talk to each other during a live recording on social media. Yeah. You know, a lot of people might know about those pieces of videos already, viewers and subscribers, you know. But just in case if you don't know, I just make you know. Yeah. Now, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you. It's not really a long video, viewers and subscribers, but I want you to take a look at this video and listen to some things that a person said in this video and tell me if rings shown on a person's fingers in this video have anything to do with witchcraft or obia. Some persons might say voodoo. You see me? Tell me what you think about this video. Observe.
Me get up. I want to look for sure say people in my try hard to bum buck, lad. Hard, daddy. Look at people. People in my try hard, brother. No joke. See it? I'm gonna try hard the fuck.
The people see the markings on that person's hand. And you see those rings, plus the things that the person said in that video, makes me wonder if those rings have anything to do with witchcraft or obia, as also some persons might call it. You see me? Yeah, me also I wonder if I watch the person washing your hand. You understand me? I said to you, within the markings there on those fingers, me I wonder if I watch the person washing his hands. You see me? I say, alright, my people, but on a real still though, from a little youth until me a big grown man, me hear quite a number of people talk about guard rings. You see me? I say, yeah, me hear people say that if you're wearing a guard ring and if you're about to get into trouble or if you're going to get hurt certain ways, the guard ring will burn your finger and the guard ring protect you. But me now have no experience in this in the viewers subscribers, because me never wear anything when you're in a guard ring now in from a guard protection. Obia and witchcraft overall, me now have no experience in them things there. See me I say, but me hear people talk about them things there. See me I say, see, I know me see this video and hear the things that the person is saying in the video, you know. Them a try hard or something like that and show those rings and so forth and the markings on the person's fingers. It really sound away. It really look away, viewers and subscribers. It look away. It really and truly look away to the point where I'm not even sure everything. Cause obia and witchcraft and voodoo, in my point of view, me not have no experience or me can't say 100% say yes, that's true. No. So my people, on a real, But I'd like to know what you think. You know? Tell me what you think. Do you think those rings shown in that video that I just presented to you have anything to do with witchcraft or obia, as well some persons might call it? Some persons might also say voodoo. You see me? Tell me what you think. Anyways, I guess I'm going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.